Health officials are warning about a rise in whooping cough infections, especially in kids. There have been about 4 times as many cases of whooping cough this year compared to 2023. So far this year, there have been over 16,000 cases and 2 deaths. Babies younger than a year old are most likely to get the infection and have complications. The CDC says whooping cough can be mistaken for the common cold and other respiratory illnesses, so it's often not caught until it's too late. The good news is there's a vaccine, but babies can't get it until they're 2 months old. There's also an unusual increase in what's commonly referred to as walking pneumonia in young kids. Health officials say not to bring your child to school if they're sick.